Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be installing the shift boot. I've had this for a while, but I never really got the chance to install it. And since now we're in quarantine, I thought might as well install it now. I got my brother in the back.
Yo, what up?
This is what it looks like right now. It's just a simple black leather one. This was a stock one that the car came with. The first thing we gotta do is remove all these parts, which are pretty easy to take out. It's just small clips and things there. So we got this out, and this is the same thing. Actually, first we gotta take off the shift knob. Take it out after. I'm gonna take off these two screws that are holding the shift boot down, and hopefully that should give us a little bit more room. There's the second screw. Let's see if that makes our life a little bit easier. There we go. Now we got this to work with. There we go, it's out. This is where the shift boot goes. And now we're gonna have to make some holes in there. That looks something like this. These are stock ones, so they're perfectly cut. Alright, so we're gonna make some bougie ass cuts in our thing. If we just line this up, the holes sit a little bit above. So I would say around here. There's one. Hopefully it doesn't unbind because the threads are gonna come out, I know. And the first two. So that should be pretty good. So now we're just gonna put the retainer back in.
Yeah, just make like a very small snip with the scissors. Should be good.
So easiest way to do it is to turn it inside out, line it up with the retainer here because we want it to have that fold outside. Alright, so that's good. Let's cut this and see the final product. Okay.
Yeah, right there.
That's perfect.
Beauty, that's clean.
Okay, so most of the holes worked properly except for this one here. I don't know what happened there. So now we just have to kind of screw it on. Gotta be gentle with it so it doesn't pop out. Alright, now it's tight in place. So now we're just gonna put the screws back in place. There's two. And there we go. It's in. Put this back in. Alright guys, so the shift boot is installed. This is what it looks like right now. Since it's aftermarket, so it's not gonna sit like perfectly aligned with everything, but I tried to make it as well as I could. Alright guys, that's it for today. Just had to install the shift boot. Looks pretty good. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.